Tulo ka tuig.
Okay, pag gawas siya 2003, late niya 2004, 2005. Yung nakaadto pa mig Japan 2006 tungod ato niya ba.
So 2007 pataas wala na dayto niya.
Naa pa man pero bisag kami murag di na may ganahan ba murag kapoy daghang kitag kanta na nindot niya dili murag itsumo lang gyapon na ba niya. Nya ato na time wala ba SK9 ni Biya siya dayon pag 2000 mga late 2004 ana. So daghang mga bago ba. Pero naganami usa ka hit na murag nakadaog pag awards niya murag pero wala na ma-connect sa mga tao na it's the same people, di ba? Atong Orgasmic, I don't know kung familiar ka sa Orgasmic. Mura na siya kato na time 2006 masiguro to na murag 2008 na mura siya EDM ba before pa EDM. Yeah, mo to siya murag isa sa pinakadako namong hit pero wa jud siya maabot og masa ba so dili gyud siya nga nakadako ng crowd ang nakapaminaw. Pero sa clubs ato sa kwan sa Manila kusog ito siya and most of the murag resurgence na mo ba na murag fighter ni balik oh pero with the new sound pero di na nila ma-connect lagi niya nausab na sa mga dagway ano ba niya usab na sa dang look usab na sa dang kuan ba nag-reinvent yun di ba and kato na time si Clumsy na ang bagong member
Clumsy
kanang producer ni Shanty Dope ba og ni Glock 9 basta si
so na siya sa usan na label na sila ron sa Universal Records.
Universal murag ila sa management sa di ba murag sila Glock 9.
Oh, Asintada.
Oh yeah.
So na siya dito.
Oh, na siya dito niya. Oh, murag household producer na hitmaker na sa charon ba. So, ano ba murag nya mo sa na mong sakit good kanang every album ba mag-usab mig sound which is para na ako sayop day. Masakto kung naminaw lang mi sa Warner ato na time. Kaya ito na time good, ang mga label mo demand yun na sila na murag kanang himo pa lang itsumo be. Murag Cebuano mi katauan tas mga taga Cebuano na balik-balik kana ba mo andar ang amo ang Cebuano pride ug mentality ba murag di siguro to magpakauwawa na niya. Napatoy time na pagbuto namo dito na si High C kay waon siya sa group, himuon siyang solo, partistahon, but kinanglan di siya moangko na minyo mi, ano ba?
Lagi mo.
Ano ba niya? Mura ba? Ano ba niya? Di taga Cebu, biyata murag di, siguro na pwede makak sa mga taga Cebu kay. Di ba, murag di mo ta showbiz, murag, ano ba?
Kanang himuon yung kag showbiz na kuan.
Yeah, exactly, di ba? So, mosa siguro to murag stubborn kay mi ba na murag mo adapt gani unsa sa Manila kay imong tan-awon awa-awa mga rapper at that time sa karon dali na kay martista murabag niya na after ato na ako nadungga na sell out ko no ang Dyson K9 kay Angel Mabin sa una niya sana ba murabag human na man good mig kanang palipay sa mong kaugalingon and it's about time to make some money ba nga na ba pero wala gyapon compromise wala man may pinalito kamo ato wala mo tutuyo pero mo jud na siya kay numdum ko once na masa na mi katong dito na mo na feel na murag ni kusog mi patong pagtukar na mong Itbulaga the next day jud ato na weird kayo job guy imagine ha karo adlaw you're a fucking nobody murag ano ba then the next day paggawas niyo Itbulaga the next day ni murubog kailan na tanan tawas sa silingan ninyo na murubog grabihan ni Manila di ba kahit sa Cebu good ba masay pakay good murag weird kay every time mo uli mig Cebu murag wala mo pa-picture wala ba so mo na malipay mi kay murag kaya ta breath of fresh air murag back to normal ba nya humbling sa kay siya na kuan kanang kada uli kay murag kana di ka pwede magdinakog dire kaya ta murag wala ra ka dire so nindot siya ba pero ikabot ni mog Manila bro. I remember jud after Itbulaga. Then paghuman katong pinakagrabe katong life story na magpakailan man. Kaya sa grabe lagi. That time na akong gi-adapt is mausab jud imong sophistication. Samot na maapil kag tapok na kay syempre mausab naman imong mga kuyog. Ma-introduce na kag mga dagkong mga bigwigs, mga dagkong tae, di ba? So di mo sa ka pwede magpina bugoy-bugoy gyapon ka musab jud kay imong lihok nya mora to kung iyon ko aka na mura kana para ma-introduce ka sa business ba. Maura siguro na akong murag siguro kung 2 cents lang mura bag kung nana ka na business, learn it kay para di ka mailad. Kay the thing sa amo ang unang nakakat na to si Heisey. Siya yung nakabantay dahil na murag sa kontrata kay makabutang man na sa una na in perpetua murag siya ray nakabasa ato niya. Mana karon tanan songs namo ang among publishing o among rights ang among masters kami tagiya.
Kamo gyapon
Kay tungod to ni Heisey kay mambasa man jud ba. Nya yan tun-an ba. So nganong kinanglan man ingani niya. Masyak ang taga-label kay ato. Kabaw lagi mo ana murag ana ba. And makalikay sa gastikas gani. Kay especially kanang bago kang artist niya mamatempe ka kay inang kag advance sante kag 2 million mura bag wow dako na kay na pero if you think about it kaya ta i-recoup na nimo di ba so daghan maila na ba. I don't know karon kay mga medyo wiser naman siguro
karon ang kuan na karon mas buutan na ang mga mo offer dili na aggressive kayo ba.
Yeah.
Kanang ang dili pre sa una na kanang 17% try mo.
Di ba sus
Forever.
Forever. Kay numdum ba ko, sige sa to, Freddy Aguilar, nakastorya na ko yung anak. Kaya ta, pila rato'y share sa iyahang papa per record na per tape or per marag 2 pesos, 6 pesos. Imagine na ganagad, di ba? Karon dito na pwede nga na di ba?
Mga gani, karon kay kuha na kayo ron, kanang mas fair na ba?
Yeah.
Kay kuha na mo tungod sa internet, transparent na kayo ba? Dili na ni mo matago na mga nga
kabaw sa mga label na murabag, honestly, we don't fucking need you. Pwede ra jud mag-independent kay nabayaan nato ang internet sa balay nara na mabuhat na nato ba?
Karon no. Pero sa una kay murag wag ka jud.
Wala ka ba?
Dapat label yun.
Yeah.
Kasi may independent sa una ni grabe. Kana sa inyong panahon.
Ambot lang. Kay kami technically na-realize na mo ato na di man jud mi fully signed sa Warner.
Distribution siya gamay.
Licensing. Usami sa mga first artist ato na licensing deal mo naka-license ra nila. Pwede sila mo distribute pero mas dako amo ang cut. Murag 60-40. 60 amo, 40. So, mo to
Tungod rin po ng high season.
Yeah. Bagay, mura bag siya'y kusog kay ana ba? Kusog kay siya mo bantay-bantay niya. Sa una, mainom doon ba ko na murag, hatag na lang na mahimo pa bitaw taglaing kanta. Dili di mo sugod ba? Kuha ko na to na. Ato mo to, katong gi-pirate mi sa Viva, gibayaran sad mig dako ato para mo balhin lang sa ila. Kung sa to, forever sa to. Yes, ang gipa-revise. 4 years ra mo makatag-iya na mo then balik na. Kan ang sa kontra go basta man individual names na mo ug ang likeness sila tag-iya. So, si Heisey, si Trapak ko na ba. Dyslexic ba ko. So di kong basa mo. Pirmahin na. Kaya takuhaan na itong kwarta. Pa-encash na lang ito. Palita auto. Pero man siya. Sa di, tanawon sa nato ni. Marabag, yeah. Mo na gamit sa mga kuyog ni mo. Mga tao ba. Moto siya.
Unsa may feeling ato na katong nakabantay na mo na murag wala na kayo'y demand ang inyong mga gig or ang unsa ba wala mo tagda sa label or unsa ba
ang adik kato na time kasi sige mang reinvent do na kabantay naman ko aton ko kay from the beginning pa lang ako man to mas maguwang nila tanan good so medyo mature na ko kabawon ako ba at that time mapagsikat sa sumo 24 naman siguro ako 27 basta na ako na late 20s na ba so kabawon ako ba na kaning mga ngani kadiyo tara ni di ba murag nya ako sa dato at the back of my head murag gusto na ko muulig si bulang ana ba back to normal ba pero si high si jud na murag di ato na i-maximize ana na ba na dito na ako gikaton na murag makaila ka sa mga labels mga nakainindot na rapor para kung mag-sign sa kag artist na himo na sa kong producer naghatag lang sa kong artist nila nya si Heisey nag-solo so nya murag na stretch jud namo until na nabot na tong time na murag di na ko ganamo tukar nyan hinay na sad murag kami na ba murag may guya-buya balik
di kuan sa holik pa ato storyanan yung mga yung sa ninyo pagbuto ato nya kanang sa may mga kanang grabe biya kay nang kita biya ko ng daghan biya ko kailan ng mga bar owners nya paldo biya kay na grabe biya kay nang labi nang mo boom yun kana ba.
Oh,
So,
uy,
mas grabe to ang inyong na kwartato sa huli kaysa sa Itsumo ay sa Days and K9 na karir. Dili sad. Mamaor bud
I think mas dako to.
holik.
Ang holik.
Oh.
Cause everyday man gud na nakikita gud.
Oh.
Di ba?
Nya manggo yun.
Mango pa
prime
jud nya
yun.
kato kato na area kay mao man jud na nya. Kato na time pag holik is mga around 10 to 15 bars good to that same area competing. Di ba? Then ang imuhang club mo adtuon, di ba? That's something ganjud. Then I remember sa daghan sa itong mga club mga mahibungkin sa man sila kay mostly mga club owners gud kay kaila ra ba na sila. Mga taga Sibura or Managagaw or ana ba. And out of nowhere ba murag kinsa may kinsa lagyaning holik nga na ba. Eh, dugay gud mi manira ato maabta mi kalasutsu.
Buntag.
Biha.
Biha.
Kalasutsu, ano ba murag kay ata mga tawo uli-uli murag.
Unsa inyong alcohol of choice ato na kanang
Katong-
halin yun ba?
Katong first 5 years ang Red Horse judo. Red Horse grabe kay Red Horse.
Bakit?
Us coming from Manila, mashock sad mi ba kayat ta mga tao diri sa Cebu Red Horse man. Di ba kay kitag Red Horse
Wala
sa
di kay
Manila.
Red Horse Manila
Dili
ato.
kay mga inom Red Horse mga clubbers dito kay manimaho man kang aslo mi Di man ka makunyo ng Red Horse, di ba? So San Mig Light ka or pinaka-isog kay kanang sige na kanang
Pilsen. Dili
or sige
sad.
na kanang blue gani color na San Mig
Sanmig no blue
or
di
strong ice ba na?
kamikasi or dili sad.
Strong ice ba sa gana?
Basta kana kanang mga na color-color.
ano ba or ano ba? So mo na ilaha or usually mga kanang botelya jud tequila, di ba? So kay madto mga DJ sa nako na barkada sa Manila magsige mi kadto murag waji Red Horse pero mo to na culture shock mi diri sa kayata mga tao babae lalaki mo inom og Red Horse. At kusuga mo inom og Red Horse murag. So mo to siya then katong pag-renovate na mo ibalhin mi ground floor. That's another murag
Ano to ang alcohology sa una? Balin mo.
Hindi ang archaeology sa una nahimong abuhan ron. Luyumi sa archaeology. Luyumi sa abuhan so mas nindot na siya location, it's bigger murag almost mga 1,000 square. Yan mo to murag kusog na mo ato na sa ubos kay kato na mga Johnny mga black. Okay, magiusab man to ni Haisi gamay ang kuan nato murag iyahang bisag mango siya ba bisag pangmasa siya. Yang distrikto gamay ba niya mas gi-push niya kay mga hard liquor murag high end lang niya gamay good pero di kayo good.
Diyan sa magitunan yun na niya or sa nag-YouTube na siya how to market club. Sa kay
Wala ba ya? Murag di na naman siya business sense good kay insect man yung papa.
Okay.
So na siya idea ana ba mura pag ako ang profit margin ani
Pero,
ani.
Unsa man na negosyo yung papa sa una?
Na.
Or handod karon or
Hindi, ni pass away naman yung papa pero
okay.
namana jud na niya ba na ang
so nandako na siya na surrounded with
ana.
business na
ba?
environment ba?
Mo usay mga tao makabantay na niya murag puya storya ning Haisi kanang magtuo sila ba kay syempre ang image ba ni Haisi makakita ka murag di ba murag abi mo pa sexy ra or ana ba or bimbo pero makastorya ka murag gaya sa striktuha da niya ay sulak ka storya ana ba kay mo jud na iyaha murag diya siya anad ba business ba mo na ang nakanindot sad namo sa mong partnership kay ako ang creative niya siya ang mahimong business ana pananitan mingon ko kanang panito to sa music na mo siya nakakita sa business sense ato murag siya ni guide na mo ni K9 ba na murag mana bantayan nato tong contracts blah 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 nya katong clothing line siya nagihimo ra kog sanina nya murag nakuno na siya muna to nang kuana nagtukod mig butik sa Manila ano ba
Basta mo tong butik
okay sa din nila sa to siya dugay and kana lagi ako managud mapulan ko ba especially gani na murag nya nakoy style sad kami ni Haisi na murag quit while you're ahead.
No.
Ano ba murag before ka malaos kay makalimtan sa mga tao, biyaan na murag para di madawat gani. kay murag
Di, oy,
sayo
bata pa mo, uy.
di wala gani ba weird man good kay di mi nga nakabata di sad mi nga nakatiguwang so sayo man good mi nagsugod ni Haisi. Sayo kami nagsugod ba. Literal teens pa si Haisi niya ako mga nasa akong early 20s. Then sayo mi nagkanay anak pagahuman na nabuhat na mo salamat sad sa mga kuan na murag nakuha gyud na mo among gusto gani na murag suwayan nato ning ngani music di ba di ba pila ka tawo imong nailhanan na makalampo sana di ba. Then graduate ng anak so murag at least dili mi ang anak katiguwang gani mo retire ka-enjoy pa ba kay dami uban na I mean no offense pero nami uban no mo retire tiguwang na kayo niyan maglisod nag-enjoy di ba.
Di mo ito last na ito na storyan.
Oh, yeah.
Pero karang umabot. Ay, si Kuan. Si Filipino rapper ba? Si Jim.
Si
Jim.
Oh, yeah. Si look, kayoso.
Nga naman.
Nakalimot ko sa Rocco Steady.
Rocco Steady, oh.
Yeah, nakoy gibuhat niya and namin uban na yung mga nakoy gitrabaho with Alex Lim ron.
Karon.
Oh, yung mga
Sayang.
yung mga artist, mga videos niya then si Haisi Wailingaw ako nag-produce ako mga kanta na siya ipang-release then puhon, di ba? Kita.
Oo, kita naman dito kanta na yun. Well, actually, naghuwat pa ta sa narata gihuwat na kuan na confirmation. Pero moadto ka sa gi-invite ka ni kuan ato dito sa Lapu-Lapu.
Karong Sunday?
Oo.
Oo, ako may mo shoot niya.
Ay, ko yung shoot niya.
Moadto ka, di ba?
Oh, gi-invite ko.
Yato ta. Yeah, kita ra gyapon dito.
Yung magsaba.
Unya na.
Pero okay, sige.
Yeah.
Hindi naman kita ra ta dito
Di
sa
actually katong nagka-jam ta murag di usasad to sa mga naka-revitalize ba murag. Kay naman ko sa times ba murag say mauwaw na kay ko musabay sa mga new breed ron murag. Murag I don't think I have it anymore sometimes pero lingaw raman kay samot na katong nagtrabaho ta murag open-minded mga good so murag lahi mong process magkuan ba. Yung process ba nalingaw sa go. And katong late last year nag-release mig single ni K9 before siya nagpahuway na sad. So mo to murag himo-himo na lang good murag kung night time kay naramang gyapon good lingaw lami gyapon ibuhat ba. Pero dili na gay pressured na murag hey, money making shit ni. I need this money.
Wala na kanang kuan.
Wala na ba? So at least murag naka-escapo na mi ana gamay na pressure ba. But still ambot murag too soon pa kayo para mapahuway gani murag. Mangita pa tagong sa lingaw ni.
Unsa kanang dito sa inig Sunday unsa man nimo mo cover sa event? Or si Kuan Alex Lim mong shootan unsa man na?
Siya mga couple of DJs na mag-play then ako yung shoot collab sa ilang artist dito. So maura sad ako gi-look forward kunay nga na ba pero mo na murag makaingon na jud ka ba ang hip hop not black music anymore it's more on worldwide na ba murag na murag so mas lingaw siya ron and yeah can't wait sa mga collab Totoa kung mga kuan excited kay ko ana ba
lagi ako sad ang akong giwat lang jud kay kanang nagwat ko jud kanang amot kong sulti ba rin ako. But anyway, kanang basta na ako giwat.
Basta
kanang of course, nagwat sa kanang possible venue. Pero na ko yung mga makita na kanang sa Instagram ba, naganahan sa nagusuwayan. Na kanang urag la, tira na kanang cinematic na vibe ba.
Oh yeah, nindot na jud na. Actually naman kay kay itong last time ta nagstorya katong plano gyud nimo ibuhaton na katong murag shorts and you have an eye.
Sa katong short film?
Oo,
kapoy na ko ni si Kuan sa Alababay na album eh. Kanang si tawagan ni kanang na sa sige na ako kanang promote ba. Murag sakto na siguro to October to na ako gi-drop. A Life of a Bay, October, November, December. So 6 months? 6 months. Oo, sakto na na kanang kuan. Niya ang naitabo, nahimong podcast. So nahimong podcast karon excited ko na mausab na sad ang kanang lahi na pud na project pero karon wala pa kay ko naminaw music kanang kuan kay ko kanang detach kay
Detach
ko
kay ka
sa
karon.
music jud na kanang murag ang akong gipaminaw ug ang gina-study jud na ron kay kanang podcasting ana editing kanang reels na edit niya kanang mga unsa pagpangwarta sa shorts kanang mga
Oo,
YouTube shorts na kanang
yeah.
yana ba
Mm.
niya kanang daghan kay ko giunaw na namo ko goal na kanang dapat maabot ni nako na income ginan tagaan
Oh, yeah.
so mo na akong gikuan ron sahon kanina ko
Nakuno na sa kuan after mo nagstorya ta na ba
Oo.
naka-realize ko bitaw sa kung mas steady na ka na mo automatic naman agad diretso naman agad if you can like ma-establish na nimo na kana na goal o makuha na nimo and mo lagi na unsaon pag adto dito.
unsa man pag-adto niya karon murag kuan pa kay ko kanang daghan kay kog options na pwede suwayan ba
Oo.
karon gani na napoy ni kanang nisud na kanang idea gahapon lang storya mi sa akong amigo taga States balik diri yung ano ba bitaw no kay
Daw.
dili ungod ko ka dili kay karon di jud ko ka himog kanta na kuan ron actually kay diri sa Cebu ang personality diri sa akong gibuhat ron lately for the past few weeks is siguro og naning to be honest with you siguro og basag libro na kita ka sa mga libro siguro og basag libro basag ka ng bisag ka ng kuan ba kanang nagbasa mo ra ko nagskwela balik ba pero kanang akong ginauna kay wala ko lang gibuhat gud niya kanang murag magsige ko og scroll kay ma-depress ko
Mo jud.
kanang inana ba murag
Ma-rabbit hole ka.
ma-rabbit hole ma-depress ko ya mo to na akong ginauna na dagang yung libro diri niya wa pa nila ako nabasa tanan may pag ako ningot dun okay mo to nagsiguro og basa niya kanang di jud ko kahimog kanta pa kanang murag wa koy kanang full ba na kanang kanta bi na kay it amot kay kuan na siguro na experience na ako mo tukar o kanang mga na hit song siguro ano ba
ay numdum ko na ingana sa minikainin or ako nato dito ko na ako na-realize na murag dawad ako gana katong motukar namin na di kakulbaan.
Di ako ingana pero kanang
nakasuway na kanang ni tukar ka waka kulbay.
Pirmi man di mo kulbaan.
Di nakakulbaan?
Di mo kulbaan yun kaya kanang murag wala trabaho
basta nato yung time na murag tsaka na mo stage murag yata di nakakulbaan. Then ang sunod ato kay wala na di nakagana mo tukar. Ano ba murag humana to writer's block na. Taas na kay mga 5 years na writer's block murag kaya to di ko kasugod. Kasugod ba na ba? Kaya to saan ba ni? Murag mo na to mga DJ face na ako murag mag DJ tabi murag at least music ra ba dili kanang other people's music niya. At least basi ka-reboot ni sa akong kuanda.
Kato nag-DJ ka, say feeling mo to kanang wala sa focus lang pod or kanang wa lang lingaw lang.
Na sugod ra jud to kay nakita kong Skrillex ug live ba ko. Kaya ta rin buang paitira ko dani niya gud niya mo to. Murag ang first na akong encounter sa EDM kuan man dubstep so himo kog dubstep then apel kog thread nya nag-share mi didto mga beats ana na ba nya murag. Yan naman niya. Wa mas lakabaw na si Dice ko nag-ilis mo kog ngan. Lain na nga akong gidaba para wala lang gud marag na ba. So dito to then baguman himo na kog mga kuan mga house ano na ba. Then nag-DJ na ko murag nindot ni karog live da. Nya mo to si Tony Son sa Summer Sunscream siya una yun ni hatag chance na ako na motukar og kanang dagkong event gipatukar ko niya kanang festival ba murag kaya to bago
pero sa feeling tira ni or kanang wa lang kanang
lahi sa tiyan na high lahi sa tiyan na niya lahi masal go reaction ng mga tao so dito to murag na revitalize murag nindot nida and then slowly after a year to murag ganahan na kasuwatan og lyrics ang imong gihimo so nabalik-balik na siya ba kay na jud time na murag nawa jud ka ba murag walay kulba wala tanan then katong nag-DJ na murag kulbaan na ka sa stage so na-miss to na ako yan and then Holic came nahimo na siya negosyo murag kapuyan mag-DJ
di ka balik
Actually na imo giingnan ko ni Alex sana niya mura pag DJ balik na apil ka diri sa fire na maghimo tag ko na nanagop. Tanawon ako na mga equipment mura pag
Oo.
if time permits mura pag pwede raman jud. So
Ba,
maybe,
10
wala
years
ka
na ba dito,
Diba?
DJ ba? Ito ka Japan ba?
actually usa jud na kung kubag na mura pag makabantay na siya mura pag trampas na kung ano-ano mura pagkulong di sa mong man kay pag create diha niya mura na ba. Mura sila grateful kay ko na sama-sawa na tagagay kog space na mura pag
Yeah, let you be dyslexic. Is that
dyslexic.
dyslexic?
Mura pag ato dito sa mga studio ko pag kulong dito pag imong kanta para mawasan ka kanang say
Pag
ka.
dyslexic diha.
So wala. So yeah.
Sakto. Karon murag ganahan ko kung maghimo ng kanta, ganahan kitong kita naghimo tag kanta.
Yeah, kay labayay rag mga
labi mo na pinakaganahan ako kanang labayay rag mga idea gani. Nga kanang murag banda gud maghimo kag kanta ba.
Yeah, collaborative jud ba?
Nya urag kanang kana mo na akong naandan sad ba. Pero karon dili kay ko kasuwat kung ako raw sa ba mo na malingaw jud ko. Naikauban so pohon kung mahuman na imong kuan maghimo tag project. So, 5 lang gud ka kanta gud.
Yeah. Diba? Ganahan mo siguro sila no.
Dice and cookies.
It has a ring on it with
dice and cookies. Takibaw no. Kana na po ba? 10 years na po.
10 years na po.
Pero kung mag 10 years mga ninot ang nata. Takibaw no. Maabot to Japan ba?
I mean, wala na may posible ron.
Wala posible.
Diba? Kanang murag ma-achieve naman jud. Kay gipagamay man gud sa sa internet ang kalibutan. Murag dali na kayo ba? And especially, di ba? Na
mag-concert ba? Mabutag Everest. Kanang mga... Mabutag sige. Tanog mga Everest na kanang kuwan.
Di ba?
May climbing niya.
Mawin ako pirming gisulting high Simbako.
May pam. Saka na lang mag-Everest.
Di ba? Di, mawin akong Simbako. Manay may tabo ni mo. Di ba? Murabag. Mawadan ako purpose. Mawin akong buhaton. Mawin akong Himalayas. Saka ko sa Mount Everest. Murabag. Kung di na ako kanaog dito, di at least na ako dito. Diba? Or kung sa manggani, na ako na-achieve. Pero, wala akong pirmi binuang niya. Pero,
ayaw siguro eh.
Kado katong sa balita.
Katong engineer. RIP day. Ito ni Sir.
Yeah. Weird ba kayo na mamatay ka sa Mount Everest? Kaya di na manaog imong lawas. Dito na ka.
Mahal kayo.
Mahal ka ayaw. Natoy, pila to? $11,000 ba to? Para inaog lang ka. That's $500,000 man. Like, pesos burga.
Di madaay
dito na lang.
Maghangak na mga ko diya
at least gani
Starbucks. Kasuhay na ka na Starbucks.
Wajud pero narapi na sa mga tungod.
Kaya hangak ni ko ni abo Starbucks lamig yung mga pagkaon dito. Kay ka ng mga dilatar agad pero kanang sa kakapoy na mo
mulami na lang.
Oh.
Bito may buong ko kaya igawas na mo sa mong gate. Makita ko ba kaya talagaan nagtaon sa mga orasa alas 11 nas gabi alas 12 mo
naog.
Pwede din wala din na siya time wala
siguro.
Wala.
Pero nakasakop min dito kanang kuan mga buntag. So, wow, kibaw ng gabi.
Nako buong bito ko daga na naog ani ganang magdag mga stick ba.
Nindot siguro ang view dito.
Siguro no. Pero
saka na dito. Wata kay ba mag-hiker na di ka 10 years after.
Kaya sa hiker. Yeah.
Pero anyway, taas sa ito gistoryado. 1 hour 25 minutes.
Damn.
So ako nakoy bag-ong kanang si tawanin nakoy bag-o na kanang segment, kumbaga last segment sa podcast is kanang kung tagaan ka og chance na magbutang og message sa billboard na daw kay ba sa man may butang ng billboard maklaro gyud dapit sa may manggo baka or sa kanang dako kaya sa man may butang niya
message no.
Kanya kinsa imong gipadungdung gana o sa may
mas chill ang mga tao sa Instagram kaysa Facebook. Walay toxic na mga tao sa Instagram.
Mawid.
Diba? So, ato mo sa Instagram, i-follow lang ko dito. Then, sa mong channel, Dyson K9, Mobstar. Diba niya? Among season 2 sa podcast sa Mobstar.
Oo, nino. Season 2 pa
season
mo.
2. Pina-season 2. Season 2 pa. Sa season 2, next month.
Oh, yeah. Kasi i-plug na to na mong podcast ba sa to.
The Midnight Snack.
The Midnight Snack.
Yeah.
Nasa YouTube and na Spotify po.
Na Spotify o
Yeah.
ka na mga podcast na platform na.
Nice.
Yes. So, yes. And muna na. Shout out kay Garvey, kay Heisey of course, Mobstar, and everybody out there. Hey man, thank you for having
salamat
me.
sa kayo, man, for gracing me with your time.
Uy,
Kaya ako
sana-
busy kay ka nang hakot pa mo anak pero
Yeah,
gahin
I
sa
won't
kag-
miss a thing nga nito. Malingaw sa kasi mo mga guests ba murag. Kaya sa mo na nakanindot sa podcast ko, you tend to know people ba na in a personal level bisag gamay. Especially ikaw na ikaw ang host kay maka ay mo ang reaction ba di ka makibaw na murag. Yeah, mas you will know.
You already know it's your boy Cookies back with another episode of A Life of a Boy podcast where we chop it up with bold and authentic individuals. Bye gani. You know what I'm saying? So, and today we got a very special guest all the way from Brooklyn, New York. One of my favorite cousin, Robbie Peñalosa.
Yo, thanks for having me, bro. It's nice to be here.
So, how's Cebu, man? Like, you just told me you got back here you got here Sunday.
Yeah.
So, tell me, like, when you got to the airport, this is not your first time here.
No.
So, yeah.
It's been 9 years.
9 years.
9
Okay,
years,
so
yeah.
there's been
A huge gap.
huge change of
I've
like
literally lived like 2 lives. 2 different lives since I've been here. Now, the last time I was here, I was still in the military.
yeah, and now you're in the police
Yeah,
department.
I'm NYPD now. So,
Let's
but the
go.
last time I was here was for like 2 different family reunions. Bisara and then my mom's side.
Baka,
Iloilo.
Iloilo.
Bella Soto.
Belasoro.
Yeah,
Belasoro. Yeah. Okay.
But every time I come to Cebu, it's always one of those things where I'm reminded that this is like where my dad came from, or where our dads were. For those that don't know, my dad and
my dad and your dad, they're
we're brothers.
brothers.
So we're first cousins.
First cousins. So, well, tell me when you got back here in the airport,
So so I landed.
then
Cebu,
worked out.
I worked out, and then I basically prepared for picking up my girlfriend.
And that was on Monday.
That
Everything
was on Monday. She arrived Monday, and then I forgot. Oh, backtrack to Sunday. I was supposed to have dinner with family Sunday also, but I was so tired. from just
Understandable.
traveling,
Yeah.
and I told Sheena's mom, our cousin, I told her, I was like, listen, I don't think I could have dinner tonight. We'll just have dinner tomorrow, which was part of the plan anyway.
Yeah, part of the plan anyway. So,
So I ended up picking her up, Kat, from the airport, and I don't know if she knew that she was going to meet my family right away
oh, okay.
because it was our first time meeting in person.
Yeah.
So I told her like when she landed, and I was like, "Hey, are you gonna be okay meeting my family tonight?" And she was like, "Yeah, it's cool."
That was cool.
Um,
So I think I remember Monday. You guys went to New Star, right?
Yeah.
Because like I was supposed to be there, but I
Dude.
had a gig.
it was. We went to the casino
Oh yeah, you.
to one of the Chinese. It was like a Chinese restaurant.
Yeah.
Xin Chanzi or something. I was blown away with just the location that Chloe chose for me
Yeah.
because it was where all the high end stores were.
Exactly. Yeah. It's like Soho.
Yeah, no,
Yeah,
legit.
yeah.
It's like it was a Soho mall. Nustar, is that how you pronounce it?
New Star. Yeah.
New Star, and
yeah.
then the restaurant was in a casino.
Yeah.
So I was blown away by that. But I mentioned earlier to you before about how I forgot how strong the American dollar is here.
Yeah.
Because there was, I want to say like 15 of us. Jamaica was there with her partner, Steffi, her boyfriend, Tito Yulo, who Chloe's mom, dad, father, and then her sister and brother, It's like 8, and then
You guys
she
like
was there.
15 of them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when I picked up the bill, it was like $200 US.
What?
I swear to God, everybody got extra stuff like hors d'oeuvres, appetizers, drinks, with on top of their entree.
Wow. So it's like
200.
what, 8,000 pesos?
Yeah. And I'm like, oh my God.
for 15 people?
in New York, 2 people could be $100
Yeah. In a fancy
in a fancy restaurant.
yeah.
If that.
Yeah.
If that. But with 15 people, oh my God.
Yeah.
It was nice. I got the flat noodles.
You got the flat noodles. Make sure you don't have that thing that trigger your gout or something.
I made sure.
Oh.
I made sure.
So that was on Monday. Then after that, on the Tuesday, you guys went to Mall Ball.
On bowl, yeah.
How long you guys been there? Like
2 nights. Yeah, it was 2 nights.
so,
We
one
did-
night in Mall Ball
we
and
just chilling. Then we went snorkeling.
Oh, so
the
you
the
see a
next
lot
morning.
of sardines,
The sardines and the turtles.
turtles. You see
That blew me away. I thought I was gonna be fascinated with the turtles, but the sardines, because it was the
school and there's like
literally like a million fish right in front of you.
you know how to swim, right?
Barely.
Barely,
Yeah.
but because like in Mall Ball, there's this like a cliff in.
I heard about it.
Oh, you never been to
I
the
didn't.
edge?
I didn't go to the edge. I was just. we
But
were
how
just-
you find? How you see the sardines though?
They brought like the guide brought us to the back of the De Gecko Hotel. Shouts to the De Gecko Hotel.
Okay. Never
And-
been there, but yeah.
It's nice. It's
Okay.
a nice area, and to the point where I think it's so nice. Like I would recommend people to go.
Mm.
First time I was injured,
Mm.
so I couldn't work. The second time, I had the highest pick on the roster at the time because
Mm.
it was a rookie roster basically.
Yeah.
That's when I went to visit your sister in Atlanta.
So this year, no, last
That was
year.
last year.
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
And then this year, nobody took it in the squad that I'm in.
Mm.
So I'm like, all right, well, this is the third Labor Day that I haven't worked.
So
So
yeah,
I lucked out.
Yeah.
And then the third week I chose is going to be later, like the following month, to go to Thailand. All my military buddies from my academy, they're planning a trip to Thailand.
October for a week.
Yeah, about a week. Shouts to Julian, my boy Julian.
Yeah,
The
Thailand is
NTA.
cool. Yeah, been there twice.
How is the value of the American dollar there? Is it like the peso, or is it not as strong as the Philippines?
It's about the same.
Oh, that's good.
Almost. But I think theirs is more. I think like 10% more. That's like, let's say if it's
$1,
$1, and here it's like what 50.
50 pesos. Yeah.
I think if I'm not mistaken, I think theirs is like maybe not 10% more, maybe like less, maybe
Okay.
40%, like 40
40 baht.
baht.
That's still
Something
good
like
though.
that.
It's still good for us, right?
You know what? I'm just gonna check before someone fact checks my ass.
That's cool.
That's Grok.
That's ChatGPT.
No, Grok.
What the heck's Grok?
Grok is like AI, Twitter AI.
Fucking serious?
Yeah, so that's I'm team Elon Musk, you know what I'm saying? So
I think at one point, I don't know if my dad was serious, but he finally was like, should we get a Tesla now for Elon?
yeah, because he loves Elon. Cause he loves Trump. So
Yeah, he's a
yeah,
Trump guy.
he's
Yeah,
a
yeah.
Trump guy.
You know, it's funny. I was driving to Newark Airport,
Yeah.
and my dad had a Trump hat, like a "Make America Great Again" hat,
Yeah,
and he was gonna go to one of the malls in New Jersey. I was like, Dad, you can't wear that hat,
yeah, you can't wear that,
especially that area.
Yeah. I mean, you can, but like you gotta be ready for something. You
I don't-
know?
I don't-
There's-
I'd
you-
ra- I'd
there's
ra-
like a lot of
yeah.
emotional, distressed people, EDPs. or-
EDPs. I was
Yeah.
like, yo, I'd rather you not have to prepare, and just
Yeah,
I gave
yeah.
him the hat. The only hat I had. It was a Street Fighter super rare hat.
yeah,
So he was like, okay.
yeah, man. I got a lot of followers from Instagram that unfollowed me when
Mm,
Trump won.
Really?
Yeah. And the majority of them is from New York. Too.
No, that week, I was giving like, especially when he won, I posted maybe 2 or 3 stories that were pro.
Yeah.
I lost like 6 followers, and that was less than the first time in 2016
Uh-huh.
or even 2020.
Yeah.
I was losing like 30 or 40 at the time, and I'm not
Mm.
even. I mean, those are just friends and family because I'm not famous.
Yeah.
So everybody that follows me are usually like childhood friends, school friends from the
Yeah.
basketball community, or people that I work with,
Yeah.
friends of friends. Like one girl, I posted like a pro Trump story, and it was a girl I coached one time.
And she was like, "How could you?"
No, she was like, "Really, coach?"
Really,
and I just
coach?
sent her a meme that was like a cowboy tipping his hat to her, and then
Yeah.
I unfollowed and blocked her right away
You
because I knew,
unfollow her?
yeah, I knew she was gonna unfollow me. Oh, she had already unfollowed me,
But
but then I one-upped her and blocked her.
oh man, you should have just let her.
That's fine. I know. It's like I don't really, the people that blocked me or unfollowed me.
Yeah.
I don't talk to them on a regular basis anyway,
Mm.
and I don't care about their opinion. So
Yeah.
so popular that they became commercialized
Yeah.
and opened up branches. And from what everyone told me, the quality of the food went
Mm.
down.
Mm.
So now the go-to halal spot in the city is called Adele's.
Adele.
Shouts to Adele's because they take care of
like Adele.
Adele.
Oh, okay.
Adele's.
Adele.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
And but they're basically like how halal guys was when they first opened. Like the quality
Mm.
is so rich. It's so good. If you crave halal and you're willing to wait in line, go to Adele's. They have like a separate line for taxi drivers and law enforcement.
Oh.
So if you're a cop and you go and you want Adele's, you basically skip the line. They give you the food right away because they take care of
Don't they only have like 2 flavors, right? Chicken and lamb.
chicken, lamb, and then it's like they have a variety of sauces too. The white sauce, the green sauce, and then hot sauce.
Mm.
It's legit. And then they give the pita bread.
Yeah, I remember the white sauce, the spicy white sauce.
It's crack. It's still good. It's like a combination of butter and
Yeah.
I forgot sour cream and
Yeah.
some other whatever they make it like mad good. It's still good.
Yeah. Get my mouth watery now. Like,
I mean,
Just
we're gonna
imagine,
eat
yeah.
later anyway. So
yeah, I'm just getting prepared for that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've been like fat. Like, what do you call it when? Like in the Philippines, we call it laming. Laming means like you let's say here in the Philippines, spider fights are
spider fights.
like it's huge. Like spiders, they be like fighting.
cockfights, but spiders.
Spiders, they
That's a thing.
yeah, that's the thing. Like
And people bet
they
on it and everything.
bet on it. They bet big. You know what I'm saying? And then what they do is like they let the spider not eat for like a couple days.
Oh,
And then when they see
it programs them to be hungry.
they'll be hungry. And, yeah.
Yo, that's vicious.
Yeah, I think it's illegal here, like to
Okay,
like
okay.
play spiders. Like
So, like, do you know if it's like the same breed, or they have like different, like a black?
no,
widow?
they have like no, not Black Widow.
Black Widow against a
Why, they can
tarantula.
jump on your face.
Yeah.
But no, they just like the small like
Baby spiders.
no, not baby spiders, but they're
Small
like small
spiders.
brown spiders. We call it like.
Oh, okay.
But in the Philippines, I don't know, like
Yeah.
how
Yeah, yeah,
Filipinos they be
yeah.
naming like
Random shit.
random shit, like fighter pipe, mais, so,
like corn.
corn, yeah, because they get that spider off like some cornfields.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I see.
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah, so,
Oh, that's new. I thought it was just cockfights.
no
rooster
spi-
fights
Yeah,
for-
spider
for-
fights is it's huge here, but like I think it's illegal, kind of
Okay.
like cockfighting because they do like they bet on it and
Yeah.
it's
I'm
illegal.
sure.
Gambling is illegal.
It's a real moneymaker, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. All right.
yeah,
yeah.
so
Holy shit, that's cool. I like that.
So now when you go back to New York Monday, you go back to work.
Well, so when you go back, you actually gain a day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So if I fly back Saturday, I'm actually getting there Saturday morning at 11 a.m. And it's still going to be like a whole day's worth of traveling.
Mm.
So here it's going to be Sunday.
Yeah.
Or Saturday.
So when you
night.
get back, it's Saturday.
It's going to be Saturday
the
morning,
morning.
at 11 a.m. And I actually have
I'm still having like a mixed feeling about that because
Mm.
Trump
mhm.
is kind of like distancing from Israel. So like I don't know where.
I mean, I feel like it's one of those things with Ukraine. You know, like how much are we gonna go into? How much are we gonna fund you versus how long it takes to end the conflict?
But like I think because like he went to Saudi Arabia and like,
That's true.
He's like $600 billion
Bro, he's-
investment. Like, bro, like
He's doing an alliance with all these Middle Eastern countries that surround Palestine and Israel, and I think that's pissing off Israel, isn't it?
Yeah, but I think I think that he knows what's going on, like
It's
what's really going on.
art of the deal, bro.
Yeah.
He's supposed to be steps ahead. So
Yeah,
I mean, we're making money still. What can you do?
you know what I'm saying? You know, like you have Twitter, right?
X
X or X,
once in a while, yeah.
Once in a
I
while.
have it for work just to monitor the protests.
Because I know TikTok, I'm pretty sure they'd be banning this content, but like in X, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, I don't even know. I might even get in trouble for talking something about like I don't even know if I'm allowed to talk about my shit. But
What do you mean?
like my work,
Like what?
if it's declassified or
I know we're about to find out.
we'll find out together.
Yeah. But when I'm talking about like in TikTok, they be like, yeah, they ban this content, but like in X,
Mm-hmm.
you know, it's funny because like it's fucking Kanye, dude. Like,
Yeah.
you know, they bump into his.
I haven't kept in touch. I haven't kept up with Kanye or whatever.
You heard his new song?
No,
No,
no. I really haven't. I
no,
haven't.
for real.
What's it about?
Oh man,
Is it bad?
depends on where you are and like you know, but yo, it's
I'll listen to it tonight.
yeah.
What's
yeah.
it called?
I'm just gonna give you an abbreviation.
Yeah. All right. Go ahead.
HH.
I don't know what that means.
Huh? Yeah, it's
Heavy hater.
no. I think it's worse. It really depends. It really
Yeah.
depends because me, I look at it as like trolling.
Is he?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but yeah, because I don't know if I can say it here though. 'cause they're gonna
you'll get canceled.
yeah,
Yeah.
not me. Like I don't give a fuck. But like in the Spotify or like YouTube,
Oh, right.
yeah,
right,
they're
I
gonna
got
be
you.
like, yeah, you said that shit. Well, fuck it, I'm gonna say it anyway. So it's the title is like Hail Hitler.
Oh, are you kidding? Are you serious? That's the name of the song? HH?
HH.
Does he actually say it in the song though?
Yeah, bro. Like the people bumping it too. You know what I'm saying?
All right, so what's the song about? Does he actually talk about the Nazis or no?
Well, he's talking about himself being canceled, and he's like, "Yeah, I can't even like see my kids. Well,
Okay.
fuck you. I'm gonna be a villain."
Oh God,
Yeah.
so that's what it is.
Yeah, because like he's like,
The fucking nerve on this guy, bro.
yeah, because like, he's calling out the Jews. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay, for what's going on.
Yeah. For what's
Okay,
going
yeah, that
on,
makes
and
sense.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So he point out the Jews because of what
Yeah,
happened to like a lot
hear
of
you.
shit going on
Admitted when he was 17,
in the radio.
it was played on the radio one time.
Mm.
That was his.
How's
that was it.
Brian?
He's good.
He's good?
He's actually he's a corrections officer, but I think he's it's funny that you brought this up because he's switching careers as he's gonna be a court officer now.
Court officer.
Yeah, so like the court system has their own
Mm.
set of police officers.
Okay.
And he got accepted
Mm.
and he starts the academy in late June.
Mm.
The academy's in downtown Brooklyn.
Oh wow!
So he's gonna be living with us for
Hey.
like 3, maybe 4 months.
Okay.
And it's like, oh my God, I'm gonna have Brian as my first you were my roommate
Yeah,
for
yeah,
6 months. Now
yeah.
Brian's gonna be my roommate and my parents are gonna they're coming to the Philippines in July. When I come to the like if I'm on vacation,
Mm.
I've been eating sweets like nonstop.
Yeah.
So I'm usually on top of my, we try to stay on top of
Yeah,
our
yeah.
nutrition and our
Yeah,
health.
we work out.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
so-
try to. So
Yeah.
I try to, when I'm healthy, I was working out before work. I would lift before work and then I would go train jujitsu,
Oh,
Muay
yeah,
Thai,
yeah,
MMA. But because like I've been broken so much, like I can't do the same things I was doing 10 years ago
Mhm.
when I was at my peak. That's how I got hurt. I had 2 surgeries in 2022.
Yeah, remember you got surgery in your groin or something, right? Yeah.
That's 3 actually.
That's three. Yeah. You try to keep it.
I had a procedure I had the injection on my right foot because of 2 torn ligaments.
Mm.
And then you're right. Yes, I had the before that,
Yeah.
I had my left elbow.
Mm.
When I threw a left hook, the tendon that connects my elbow, my arm to my bicep to my elbow, it tore. So I had that
Oh,
reconstructed.
wow. What happened? Like jujitsu?
No, I threw a left hook, and the next thing you know, I just the worst angle, the bad position.
And punch him back?
Nah, I was sparring.
Oh man.
I heard it. It sounded like paper ripping.
Yeah.
And the next thing you know, my arm felt warm.
Mm.
And even though my arm was like this, like straight, it looked like I was flexing because my bicep retracted up.
Oh man.
So
that would probably hurt.
the instructor came up to me, lifted up my shirt, was like, "Oh yeah, that's torn, guy. That's fucked up."
Where is it? Like I didn't even.
Well, it's my left arm. The scar is covered with my tattoo,
Okay.
but I had it reconstructed within 2 weeks. I had it connected 2 weeks. So and then my left, I had an infected cyst right by my.
Yeah, I
groin.
remember that like 2 years ago, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was an idiot. That was my fault because I let the cyst grow and it got infected. And the funny part was, here's the funny part, right? I had an appointment to see a doctor finally.
Mm.
And on the day of my appointment with the doctor, I had an arrest.
Huh?
I arrested.
Arrest.
I had an
arrest.
arrest,
Yeah.
and the process made me miss my appointment to the next day.
But they're more on like the Negros side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tanhay, I believe, or San Carlos Negros.
Right.
And he used to train me, but now he went back to
Manila?
No, he went back to like professional boxing again.
Oh, he's fighting?
He's fighting again. So
Good for him.
Yeah.
What do you think about Manny fighting again? You could be honest, bro.
Manny fighting again. Like he's he's taking good care of his body. I feel like I don't think like after he retired he
really was done.
he really was. He's still training, working out. So it's like
He's still in good shape.
it's not like he been eating a lot of sweets and whatnot. But like, you know what I'm saying.
So here's the thing, right? He's like one of our hometown. He's like one of our heroes.
Yeah.
I just don't want him to get hurt.
He's gonna get hurt. You know, that's his job, dude.
Like even if he loses, I just don't want him to get hurt. That's all.
Man,
I care
he got
about.
knocked out by Marquez too. So like,
Yeah, but he was a prime. That's what I'm saying.
exactly.
It's like,
So
that's prime.
Yeah.
Imagine now if he's old, even if he's kept in shape, like he's fighting a guy who's in his prime, Mario Barrios. I don't even know this guy. I don't follow. Ever since Manny retired, I don't really follow boxing like that anymore.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll follow my favorite fighters, but
Who's your favorite fighter?
right now it's Bivol,
Oh yeah.
the Russian,
Russian
And
guy.
before him was Canelo,
And
and then I still like Terrence Crawford, but Crawford's getting old.
you like Inoue?
Yeah, I do. It's kind of annoying that he only fights in Japan. I'd prefer him to fight more internationally, not even just the U.S., but all over the world. Because
He probably thinks the same too. He'd probably get annoyed. Why would I have to go there?
right, true.
You know
That's
what I'm
true.
saying?
Yeah,
Like,
that's
like,
true.
They
But
come here.
But everyone's. I feel like the U.S. is the gateway to anywhere.
Yeah, but the thing is, like, he gets a lot of pay-per-views there too.
That's
anyway.
yeah.